To direct one's gaze toward something, look, glance, gaze, peer. She looked out the window to see if it was raining. He glanced at his watch to check the time. To appear or seem, look, seem, appear, feel. He looked tired after the long journey. The weather seems fine, but it's still cold outside. To search or seek. Look, search, seek, hunt. I'm looking for my keys. Have you seen them? They are searching for a solution to the problem. To observe or examine carefully. Look, examine, inspect. She looked carefully at the painting. Please check the report for any mistakes. To look in a certain direction or position. Look, point, face. He looked to the left and saw a car approaching. She was pointing and telling me to look at something, to express emotion through one's gaze. Look, stare, glare, smile. She looked at him with concern in her eyes. The teacher glared at the student for being late. Look, give, have. This dress really looks good on you. He gave me a look of approval. Common collocations with look. Look at, look for, look like, look after, look forward to. Can you look at this document for me? I need to look for my sunglasses. You look like you've been working all day. He's going to look after the kids while I'm away. I'm really looking forward to the concert this weekend.